On YouTube, welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. Today's video is just going to be a little mid-roll video with just some dividend payouts, some stock picks I got for you this morning, some things I added new to my watch list, also some stocks I added back to my watch list, as well as some daily gains. So let's jump right into it. As you see here, today I just received 4 dividend payouts in my Robinhood account. NEM, AIG, BBEU, and BBBJB. They're small payouts, but they're going to be reinvested, so they'll help build my position out. So it's always a good thing. Next we have CleanSpark. This thing is up over 300%. I made an additional $34 on top of the $12 investment I had. It's a little over 1.5 shares. Got in around $7, and this is a house money position. So what I did in the past was I swing traded this. I put in principal, pulled out my principal. Obviously my gains were around $12. I left that in the stock. And as you can see, it's just compounding and building over time, risk-free at this point. Next here we have some 52-week highs. All the price movements you see are stocks that I own. So we have NXTG hit its 52-week high. Plug Power hit its 52-week high. CRISPR, CRSP hit its 52-week high. And of course, CleanSpark Energy hit its 52-week high. Plug and CleanSpark are in the EV play, so those of course are going to do very well. 2 more 52-week highs. We got a Tech Heavy TQQQ hits its 52-week high. IWM, this is the iShares, hit its 52-week high. And then we have NTLA. This thing is also house money. I swung traded in the past. My profit was about 21 bucks. Left it in the stock. Took my principal out, so this is a free stock, zero risk. As you can see, I'm up 245.99%. So I've made $51.66 off this swing trade. So as you can see with these two previous examples, $12 and $21, a little bit of money can turn into a lot more money over the course of time. And these two positions are just going to keep on that trend of adding money, and it's at zero risk to me because I have no principal in neither one of these stocks. Then we have ZVO hit its it's up today, 5.7%. Then we have some stock picks here. First Energy, this is a stock that I already own. It's kind of levitating today. It's a dividend payer. It's in the energy sector, over a 5% dividend. $22 off its 52-week high with a PE ratio of 26%. Analyst buy ratings 53% from 17 analysts. EPS has been killing it, and like I said, this is an energy company out of Ohio, and it distributes electricity. We're not going to get really too in depth on this one, just because it's something I've already went over in the past. We're just going to add it back to the watch list and swing trade this thing again for some of those nice dividend payments, as well as some growth. Then we have EME. This is also another position that I already own. I'm up 31.33% in this position, and the position I have is house money, so it's something I've swing traded before. I profited about a quarter of a share, which is about $24 worth, and I'm just letting it ride out on house money. So I've made another $5 on top of that. This is a dividend payer, very small dividend, but it still pays a dividend of 0.35, $5 billion market cap. So right around its all-time highs. 6 analysts, 33% buy rating, 67% hold. EPS has been doing great since fourth quarter of 2019. This will give you exposure to the business, industrials, transportation, and construction services sectors of the market. and this is a company based out of Connecticut. I swung trade this back in October, and I made my purchase. Well, I left my gains in around in November. Basically, MCOR Group engages in the provision of electrical and mechanical construction and facility services. It operates through the following segments: United States Electrical Construction, Facility Services, United States Mechanical Construction and Facility Services, United States Building Services, United States Industrial Services, and United Kingdom Building Services. The United States Electrical Construction and Facility Services segment offers systems for electrical power transmission and distribution. The United States Mechanical Construction and Facility Service segment involves systems for heating, ventilation, air conditioner, refrigeration, and clean room process ventilation. The United States Building Services segment consists of those operations which provide a portfolio of services needed to support the operation and maintenance of customer facilities. The United States Industrial Services segment covers operations which provide industrial maintenance and services. The United Kingdom Building Services comprises of commercial and government site-based operations and maintenance and facility maintenance services. This company has been around since 1987. So as you can see, they have a lot of different segments that their business runs off of. So this is something I want to add to my position and continue to build upon. So it's going to be in there for a swing trade. Next, we have a play on renewable energy. This is a hot sector here. It was a hot sector in 2020. It should continue in 2021. Renewable Energy Group is doing pretty well today. It's up around 3%. Nice PE of 5.24, $3 billion market cap. It's about $6 off the 52-week high. And what caught my eye was the 7 analyst ratings. Got it at 100% buy. They killed EPS in quarter 4 of 2019. Also in quarter 1 and 2 of 2020. Quarter 3 was a little disappointing. So we'll see how quarter 4 plays out. This is in the energy material sector. It's a company based out of Ohio. It's a holding company which engages in the production of trade of biofuel and renewable chemicals. It operates through the following segments: bio-based diesel and services. And so basically the bio-based diesel segment processes waste vegetable oils, animal fats, virgin vegetable oils, and other feedstocks and methanol into biomass-based diesel. The service segment offers services for managing the construction of biomass-based diesel production facilities and managing ongoing operations of third-party plants and collection fees related to the services provided. So, basically, like the name is, renewable energy. So they're turning these waste products, like vegetables, animal fats, and feedstocks, and methanol, basically into biomass-based diesel. So that's always a good, nice, profitable business fundamentals here for this company. So definitely something I'm going to swing trade and build my position in. Then we have an iShares. This is a ETF out of Brazil. This is something I just recently swing traded this last week. Nice 1.71% dividend yield, $6 billion market cap, about $12 off its 52-week high. And this just gives you exposure to another market outside of the United States. And they it's a weighted index of Brazilian firms covering the entire market cap spectrum. So it's like a total market ETF, but for Brazil. And me personally, I always like to get exposure to other markets, like China, Japan, Europe, Canada, Brazil, etc. And the best way for me to do that is through ETFs, through diversification, which will lower the risk and also give you exposure to other markets, which is always a good idea. Next, we have SOXX. This is the iShares Semiconductor ETF. Semiconductors are really hot. You got companies like AMD making the conductors for iPhones and that sort of thing. So if I can just get an ETF with the top semiconductor companies in it from iShares, I feel like it's a good buy. It's a good swing trade, something I want to build my position in. They do have a small dividend of 0.82, $5 billion market cap, about $11 off of its 52-week high. And like I said earlier, it's basically a modified market cap weighted index of U.S. listed semiconductor companies. So, give you exposure to the semiconductor sector of the market. This thing is semiconductors are on a big wave right now, so it's always nice to be able to get a dependable ETF from a dependable source like iShares and give you a nice diversification, low risk, into that section of the stock market. The last pick we have is AT&T. This is a company I already own in several different brokerages. Something I just swing traded 2 or 3 times last week. I'm going to swing trade it again. Love AT&T. Their business wasn't too good, but they done paid off like $5 million in debt. They added the Warner Brothers sector, so they're going into streaming, which is going to be very profitable. And then they also have, the telecom services, which include like internet, phone. They have a really great, phone plan, and they have really great service. Being a truck driver, I know AT&T has really good service. In my Robinhood account, I'm currently down in this position, 7.94%. But it is house money, so it's at zero risk to me. So even if, let's say, it's zeroed out, which it's not, but if it did, it wouldn't affect me because it's all house money anyway. I've already took my principal out. But with that being said, AT&T will be on a bounce back this year with the streaming added to their revenue. Plus, they're a good dividend payer. They have a great dividend of 7.25, and it's about $11 worth of growth still left in this company. So I should see those gains, which will be nice. That'll be it for today's video. I'll come back at you guys later on with more of the same content, as well as I'll be making 14 different stock purchases later on as well. And I will, put a video out for that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. If you want to follow my journey, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.